How to use cancel order action. We can cancel any specific order or all orders in our order book using cancel order. First, select the cancel order action from the list of actions. Once we click on Edit, we will see two options. One is to cancel all pending orders. If we uncheck this option, we will see the order ID input box. How do we find the required order ID? This will be pre-filled based on the previous orders we have placed. For example, if there is a place order for the symbol State Bank of India and we go to cancel orders, we can see that the order ID corresponding to the previous place order has already been filled in. Cancelled orders are useful when we are placing orders in any symbols and there are chances of non-execution. This way, we can identify the orders and cancel them as needed. Let's recap. Cancel order action allows you to cancel all pending orders or a specific order from the order book. You can choose to cancel all orders or cancel a specific order ID, which is auto-filled from previous place orders. This helps manage pending or partially executed orders efficiently. Got questions on cancel order action? Comment below or ask us in the FYERS community. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.